I'm down here in Detroit. We're on Stone and Sherwood, and we just happened to come across, looks like a junkyard, and there's a Corvair. We have a Meteor, Mercury Meteor, AMC Ambassador, there's a Skylark. Trying to get this done as fast as I can. Just check that out, man. Cool. Now, we gotta cross the street here. Gotta keep going. Woo! Sure is windy. Look at that, man. Oh, look at this. Whatever. Just to see a Corvair, I just got one on my shoe. Dang. There she is. Great fixer-upper. Oh yeah, it's a 500 model, as my son just pointed out. No, I already own a 64 Corvair, and he's got two at home, too. Thanks. No more Corvairs. Okay. See you guys.